Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Get the client IP and gateway and note them. Next, clear the browser cache and cookies or open a private window because stale cookies cause redirect loops. Once done, restart both the hotspot/router and your client device to reset captive portal state. While they reboot, check whether the hotspot enforces HTTPS redirection. This often blocks captive portal connections. Make sure to reproduce the login attempt immediately after reboot to capture consistent behavior. Now dig into the redirect chain. Open browser DevTools and watch network requests to see where redirects loop. If the hotspot forces HTTPS, make an exception or allow HTTP for the captive portal. Secure redirection can prevent the portal page from loading. Check DNS settings and ensure captive portal redirect targets the correct local IP rather than an external host. If you control the hotspot, inspect its captive portal logs and correct any mismatched redirect URLs or missing virtual host entries. Finish by testing the fix. Try login from a different device and browser to confirm the loop is resolved. If issues persist, reset the hotspot captive portal configuration to defaults and reapply only necessary customizations. Misconfigured portal rules commonly cause repeated redirects. Make sure DNS resolution points to the portal IP. Switching to a public DNS temporarily helps isolate the problem. If still stuck, the key troubleshooting tip is to capture a full HTTP trace and compare working versus failing request headers to pinpoint the misdirect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.